Making friends with Lily. I walk to school every day. Today, I meet a new friend. Her name is Lily. She has curly brown hair and green eyes. We have the same class schedule, so we sit next to each other in all our classes. During class, we talk and get to know each other better. Lily likes to play soccer and dance, just like me. We make plans to play soccer together after school. At lunchtime, we sit together and eat sandwiches. We share stories about our families and favorite things to do. I learned that Lily has a cat named Whiskers, and she loves to read books. After school, we go outside and play soccer with some other kids. It's so much fun. We both love to run and kick the ball. We laugh and cheer each other on. As the sun starts to set, we say goodbye and walk home. I'm so happy to have a new friend like Lily. I can't wait to see her again tomorrow. The next day, I see Lily in the hallway before class. We smile and wave at each other. We have a project due in our history class, and we decide to work on it together during our free period. We go to the library and find books about our topic. Lily is really good at finding information, and we finish the project in no time. During recess, we play on the swings and talk about our favorite movies. I tell her about a movie I saw over the weekend, and she says she wants to watch it too. After school, we walk home together and talk about our plans for the weekend. Lily is going to her grandma's house, but we make plans to watch a movie together the following weekend. I'm so glad to have a new friend like Lily. We have so much in common, and we always have fun when we're together. I'm looking forward to spending more time with her.